For selling out the garden in the day. I'm like a young woman in this hay. I'm a hustler, homie.
Wow.
You a customer crony. Got some dirt on my shoulder. Could you brush it up for me?
So what do you think? Videotaping? Why are you videotaping?
Ladies is pimps too. Go on, push your shoulders on. Niggas is crazy, baby. Don't forget that boy told you kid.
What you doing?
How you doing? Doing okay?
Absolutely.
What you doing?
What do you think about this makeup? Think it would look close on
What
me?
you doing in this car looking at your phone?
I'm on a gas line.
Gaso line?
Oh my god, I hope they don't cut me off, babe.
I know, that's what I'm looking at.
Babe, I hope they don't cut me off.
No one's gonna cut you off. It's moving pretty quick.
Yay.
Right, not bad, right?
Not bad. Doing it.
We started at
We're doing it on the gas line. We started at 350.
350. It's 411. So we've been on this for what, 20 minutes now?
Pretty damn good. I say pretty damn good. And we're looking good because yesterday when I was on this with you, by the time this came up here, it was about an hour.
Wow. And we're moving again.
Oh, bye. Oh, bye. Stop. I better be looking poots in this video.
What's Poots?
Poots. P-O-O-T-S. Poots. Comes from cutesy pootsy. What? Stop it. No, you can't just videotape me.
Why?
Because.
You're the star of the show.
No, you're the star. What are you doing?
He's gonna send it to the news.
I know you're gonna send this to the news and tell them how long I've been on the gas line.
Come on, Selena reporting for Poots TV.
We're on a gas hunt. We got 3 empty tins and a half a tank.
How many miles left?
We got 106 miles left.
That shit just keeps going down and down.
It just keeps going down. It was at 127 about, 15 blocks ago? So it's going pretty quickly because we got to leave the defrosters on because it's snowing outside.
To say this is Selena reporting for Poots TV.
This is Selena reporting for Poots TV.
Back to the station.
Come on. Stop it.